I'm Ron from Coleno, the leading suite app for managing accounts receivable, seamlessly integrated with NetSuite. Today, I will walk you through how to set up custom numbering for your invoice groups in NetSuite. By default, invoice groups are numbered sequentially starting from 1, but you can customize this numbering to fit your specific needs by adding prefixes, suffixes, and setting a minimum number of digits. So although invoice groups aren't transactions, they are still numbered similarly and appear in the transaction numbering audit log. So here I will go into Setup, Company, and then I look for Auto-Generated Numbers. You click the Document Number subtab. Here you will find Invoice Group in the Type column. Now before we continue, please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss any more NetSuite tips and tutorials. So you can enter different things. You can enter a prefix here. Let's say invoice group, that's what I want. You can enter a suffix. You can decide on the minimum number of digits for the invoice group number. You can decide to restart the numbering, to assign a number to all existing records of that type. You also have the use subsidiary. So use subsidiaries if you want to create subsidiary specific numbering. So yeah, that's it. You do your settings, you click on save, you make sure to hit the like button under this video, and I'll see you in the next one.